Welcome back to the Marty Sarts YouTube channel. If you've got an art school and you're looking for a professional, affordable website for your school, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep your eyes peeled on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sarts platform to build a simple website for your art school. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites was built to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. Usually, I'd head to the top and search for my market, but I can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our art school so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my art school name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your art school is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use, and they're actually really stunning images. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images, maybe of the beautiful artwork your students have created. You want to showcase them on your website. You can absolutely do that to make changes to the Marty Sites website. It's just generated for you. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I'm going to make sure it's visible on my website for students to reach out to me. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Let's pop in our phone number over here. And the great thing about that is click to call. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address. Great thing about that physical location when your students or parents of your students, they click on that address and it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. And update social links is where you can put in your social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Now, if you've got a logo for your art school, go ahead to update logo, browse your device and upload it. Once it's been uploaded, if you want to crop it, rotate it, make minor edits, add filters, frames, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Now, if you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you as well, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes available. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here you can browse your device, otherwise search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Now you can also connect your Instagram on the Marty Sites website editor. Connect your Instagram accounts, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos without having to upload each individual one. Super nifty, very handy to showcase your work. And update action is where you can change the button, text, as well as where it links to various places. You can even upload a PDF file. And update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline. And the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to your potential students. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email that you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your art school, go ahead and click on the yellow connect your domain. Set it up by clicking on this button over here. Otherwise, if you'd like to purchase a new domain, you can do so by clicking on the green button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your art school on the Marty Sites platform. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.